I'll be starting off this video with a foam board and cutting it down to size. And I got this foam board from Hobby Lobby because for this project, you're going to need a hard foam board and not the regular ones from the Dollar Tree. Measurement I have here is 24 inches by 24 inches. And after that, I'm going to be making 2 circles and cutting out a round shape from it for the project. I'm making a flush ceiling lighting and I'll be using command strips to mount what I'm going to make up onto the ceiling. And I'm going to be attaching these command strips now rather than later, only because it is much more convenient. I'll be using these Dollar Tree plastic cups to give what I'm going to make a crystal-like illusion. And these cups come 6 in a pack. So I'll be using 15 packs for this project. I'll be attaching the first round of cups with a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. Each of the cups glued onto the foam board are separated by another cup to make sure that I have equal spacing between them. The next set of cups are going to be glued in between the cups that are glued on the foam board. Now, as I was going along with this, I noticed that because the cups are not straight from the bottom going up, I had to add gems at the bottom part of the cups. This will keep them facing upward. So I added gems, as you can see, on 2 sides here at the bottom, and then I would apply hot glue for now anyway, and then when I'm done with the entire project, then I will go around with a strong adhesive. Some of the cups are tilted inward, and that's because I only had to add the gems much later to keep them facing upward. This is what this other side looks like, and from afar they kind of look like little crystals. Now I'm going to go around with a strong adhesive to make sure that everything stays in place when it's dry. I let it set for a while and then took it out and I lightly spray painted it gold. The spray paint was more dominant at the bottom part just to give it a nice ombre effect. I'm going to be adding more shine to this with glitter, and I'll be mixing Mod Podge and glitter together to make it easy for me to apply this to the cups. I let it dry for a few hours and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be mounting it here. I will be removing the glass bowl before mounting the lighting. The command strips that I had attached to the board at the beginning of the video is what I used to mount it up to the ceiling. From the bottom, it does look like crystals and it shines so bright, and I might have to cover the middle later to cover up the bulbs. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.